Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have for you a New England Pardner 28 gauge with a modified choke. It's a single shot 28 gauge. I'm sure you've all seen one. It's got that so-called color case hardening look to it. In pretty nice shape. I got it used for about $125. Just a standard brass bead. And it's a modified choke. And today we were shooting some Federal Top Gun 28 gauge 7.5 shot 2 3/4. That's what they look like there. Now let's get you set up. We'll be shooting at 20 and 50 like usual. Bear with the wind today, guys. It's pretty bad out here today. You can't see anything because it's also sunny. So we're at a new range today, and I've already had to pick up the targets. They blew down once already. So, like I said, bear with the wind today, guys. Alright. Got you set up there. Let's see. Take first shot at 20 yards. We got New England Pardner 28 gauge 7.5 shot modified choke at 20 yards. Here we go. Take another one, see what that looks like. Nice. You know, all my other New England, they pop the shell out when you break it open. This one, not so much. Alright, now I don't think this is going to look very good at 50, but we're going to take one out at 50, alright? Let's see how that goes. It's a 28 gauge after all. It wasn't really intended to go that far. I don't even know if you can see anything happening out there. Let's see here. We'll do another one at 20 here. I mean, it's a nice pattern if you were going to be shooting at a rabbit 20 to 30 yards. I think you'd be able to get the rabbit then. And hopefully the wind's not messing up the audio too bad. With hearing protection on, you can't really tell how bad the wind's blowing sound-wise. So here we go. We'll go one more at 20 yards. There we go. Alright. Back you guys up here. And it's a short video, but it's also windy. We'll have more to come. Let's see, here we are. Take another look at her. This is New England 28 gauge single shot Pardner model SB1 with a modified choke. I'm sure if it was a full choke, the pattern would have been a lot nicer. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that like button. Till next time. Keystone Survival.
That's what it's supposed to look like!